Hi, this is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today's class is about basic exponent property. This is 5 of the very basic exponent property I'm going to go over today. First one was the same base a to the x power multiplied by a to the y power will be equal to the same base a, and then x and y, we just plus them together. Now I'll give you a example over here. X to the fourth multiplied by x to the third, and then just keep the same base. 4 plus 3 is 7 to the 7th power. And then second one, if you have a different base but with the same power, then just go ahead to do multiply by these two numbers and then raise up to the x power. So, well, example would be x to the square multiplied by y to the square. Then you would do x, y together, multiply them together, and then raise up to square. And then number 3, the third kind, is the one base but raise up to x power, parentheses raised up to another y power would be just a, but this time we actually multiply the power x multiplied by y over here. Well, I just give you example, x to the square, and then outside another third power. So we just basically put x over here. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 to the 6th exponent. The fourth type would be a over b, and then parenthesis to the x power. We just go ahead to do a to the x power, and then over b also to the x power. Then, well, I'll give you another example would be x over y to the square. So we just separate them to numerator x to the square over the denominator y to the square. The last one would be same base again, but with different power, but division. So we just simply keep the same base, but this time the power, the exponent, will be subtract from each other, x minus y. And then if we have x to the fourth power, x to the square, it would be keep the x, same base, but 4 minus 2, that's 2. So this will be end of the class today. Then, well, this is really first one, the very basic exponent property. But I'll give you a lot more with like a negative power, was a lot more complicated, with the different numbers, raise up to different letter, variable, raise up to different exponent. So stay tuned, but thank you for watching today. Bye.